If you're over 60, your legs are your freedom, so let's keep them strong every single day. Welcome everyone to our 200-day senior fitness series. Today is day 11, and I am glad you are here exercising with me. If you are new, do not worry at all. You can start on any day and simply follow along at your own pace. Let us begin and keep our legs strong together. Exercise 1, chair sit to stand, step-by-step guidance. Chair sit to stand is one of the safest and most effective leg strengthening movements for seniors, and today we will go through it together gently and confidently. First, place your chair on a flat surface and sit tall with your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Keep your hands either on your thighs or crossed gently in front of your chest. Now lean forward slightly, press your feet into the ground and rise up slowly to a full standing position. Then lower yourself back down with control. We will perform 30 repetitions, but here is your guided rhythm from 1 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Continue with the same steady pace until you reach 30. As you move, keep breathing and keep listening to your body. How are you feeling right now? Are your legs warming up? You are doing wonderfully, so stay with me. And remember, do not forget to share this video with your senior friends so they can also improve their strength and mobility alongside you every single day. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions, step-by-step form and guidance. Seated leg extensions are excellent for strengthening the front of your thighs, improving knee stability, and supporting everyday movements like walking and climbing stairs. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the sides of the chair lightly for balance. Now extend one leg forward until it is straight. Squeeze your thigh gently, then lower it back down with control. We will alternate legs while maintaining a smooth and steady rhythm. Here is your guided repetition count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Continue with the same slow and comfortable pace until you reach 30 repetitions. Keep your posture tall and avoid leaning backward as you lift your leg. If your movement feels shaky, slow down your pace. If you feel any discomfort in your knee, lift your leg only halfway. You are doing a great job, so keep breathing and keep your core steady. I am right here with you, guiding you like your personal trainer. Tell me in the comment section, which country are you watching this video from today? I love seeing seniors from all around the world exercising together. Keep going strong. Exercise 3, standing marching while holding the chair. Standing marching while holding the chair helps improve balance, leg strength, and coordination, making everyday walking feel safer and more controlled. Stand behind your chair and hold the backrest lightly with both hands for stability. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and feet hip-width apart. Now begin lifting one knee at a time in a marching motion, bringing each knee up to a comfortable height. Move slowly and steadily, keeping your core engaged. Here is your guided count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and now continue with 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Keep going and lift your knees with confidence. Imagine I am right in front of you, coaching you. Lift your knees a little higher and keep going. You do not stop. Like, you are doing excellent. How are you doing today? Is this your second day, your third day, or your 11th day of consistent exercise? Notice how your legs are warming up and your balance is improving with every march. Stay steady, stay strong, and keep moving with purpose. Exercise 4, ankle raises and calf raises, step-by-step guidance and final motivation. Ankle raises and calf raises are wonderful for improving lower leg strength, ankle stability, and circulation. Stand tall behind your chair and hold the backrest lightly for balance. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Now slowly rise up onto your toes, lifting your heels off the ground as high as you comfortably can. Hold for a moment, then lower your heels back down with control. We will perform this movement together in a steady rhythm. Here's your guided count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and then continue with 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. As you rise, imagine the muscles in your calves strengthening with every lift. Keep your posture tall and your breathing smooth. You're doing an incredible job and your consistent effort is building real progress. Keep pushing gently, stay balanced, and feel your legs growing stronger with each repetition. If you completed all the exercises with me today, write a comment below and let me know you finished day 11. Also, please share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can benefit and exercise alongside you. Do not forget to come back tomorrow for day 12 of our senior fitness journey. You are doing amazing. Keep going.